Hey friend, are you looking for the best way to search and research the best ClickBank products? And maybe you came across the CBEngine or the ClickBank website. And hey, in this exciting episode today, we are going to do a CBEngine review. All right, we're going to take a look at the entire website, look at the benefits and features of it, get a look at some of the pro features and the inside back office on it, and decide whether or not through the pros and cons, this can actually help you decide which ClickBank products are the best ones to promote so you can make more money. All right, so hey, if you're new to this channel, my name is Chris from ChrisNjigha.com, and this channel is all about empowering you, the home business entrepreneur, with the mindset and the online skill sets to get results, make money, and live the choice lifestyle you deserve. All right, so if you like content like that, reviews like this, definitely give the video a like. Consider subscribing to the channel and go ahead and smash that bell too, because you'll be notified whenever I drop new videos, which is pretty much almost daily. All right, so this is the CBEngine review, my friend. It is in fact a ClickBank product as well, and let's get into it. Can it really help you, do better research on which ClickBank products are the best? Let's find out. All right, so the creator is, well, just a website. There is really no particular creator. CBEngine.com, and they've been around since 2004. And really, it seems like CBEngine or ClickBank Engine is really for people who want to make money online. Affiliate marketers, obviously, if you're an internet marketer, definitely as well, because a lot of times you may be looking for something to promote, and you want to make sure you're promoting something that is of value and will sell. And then, of course, if you're a ClickBank user in any shape, form, or fashion, then this might be of usefulness to you as well. All right, so what is CBEngine? Well, essentially, according to their website, it's a research and tracking tool that lets you find quality products of interest in the ClickBank marketplace. All right, and we're going to take a look at it so you can see what I'm talking about. All right, and the pricing on it is generally it's free. Actually, you can use it, but they do have a pro access that's $27. So let's take a quick look at the website itself. So you look at the website, it's actually pretty basic, right? It's like almost old school looking, web 1.0 looking type sites. But the information is, interestingly enough, is actually pretty valuable. So you can start off on the home page, and this would be the home page here. They'll generally are giving you some products that they highly recommend promoting, right? And then, so let's say you want to just kind of get started looking at stuff, right? You can kind of look at the whole area here. So this is the members area. We'll look at that. These are if you wanted to find ClickBank products, and these are some of the top vendors here. And then they do have a little section here where you can find products. So let's start up here. This is the home section here. If you wanted to browse, you can click up here, and it'll take you to their ClickBank marketplace. And it's just the same way it is on ClickBank itself. You can pick from the various categories. So let's say we pick e-biz and e-marketing. You can see all the sub niche categories here that go along with it. If you click on that, because that's where I'm in make money online niche, so we'll use that as an example. Then it'll pull up all the different programs and products that are available. And because I do a lot of reviews, I can tell you that I've seen a lot of these already for sure. And it look like they're basically ranked based on their highest rankings, probably gravity or which one is doing the most sales and things like that. So that you can just kind of take a look at them, or if you wanted to, you can just kind of search them here. We can take a look at this Salehu, right? So if you wanted, you can take a look at Salehu. Now, before we do, actually, I forgot. So this is the basic look. You can actually come up here and change it to averages. So it'll show like more detailed information, right? So you can see the earning percentage, the average per sale, the gravity, the momentum, the change, and the information. Now, some of this information is available, I think, because I'm on the pro trial right now. So you can do a trial that's like a free 7-day trial to check it out or whatever. But I like this because you can see like your earning percentage with different products. So if you wanted like a quick look to see what's available, you can do that. Get the average amount per sale, the gravity. All of this is on regular ClickBank as well. So we'll take a look to see some more information. But let's say we wanted, you can actually change it up to product as well. So it'll change it up a little bit more. You can regroup it by category as well. So let's go back to averages, and then we can, and this is all based on rank right now. And so we can let's look at Salehu web product, and basically it's like a product. I forget. I did a review on Salehu. I think it's like a product that you use for if you're doing e-commerce and things like that. So the cool thing is that they'll have a detail section, gravity, how much percentage of sales have been referred, commission, all these basic stuff you'd see on ClickBank anyway. But then you'll see some things that I think is pretty cool. It's like this first seen thing here, well, basically telling you when was it first seen, right? it was like, for example, this one was first listed in 2005, and then it was relisted in 2005, then removed again in 2007, relisted, removed, removed. Like, I like this, right? This is pretty cool. So you can see like what is going on with the product, and you can see if people have like launching their products every other time. Then you can see the popularity of it as well in this particular category where it's ranked in e-business and e-commerce. You can see the names history, and this is really, really cool. This is actually a pro service, so that's why you can see it right now. If you're in the free version, you can't see this, but like you can see like in 2000, let's go back, like in 2005, it was called Sale Wholesale Distributor Directory. And as you can see over the years, it's changed, right? eBay, they added some stuff to it or whatever. Dropship Directory now, right? They added some stuff to change the names over time, but it's still the same program. So this is really useful because there's like a lot of products that you'll see on ClickBank that are like rehashed, but then renamed to like something completely different, but it's the same product over and over again. So this is a good way to let you know whether or not what you're promoting is worth your time. Another thing you can do is you can come up here to where it says payout, and you can see a lot of data like the initial earnings per sale. Since you can see the earnings per sale has kind of decreased over time here. Average percentage per sale has always been around 50%. You can see the percentage referred, right? The number of a fraction of publishers' total sales that are referred by affiliates. So that's come down. As you can see, it's come down to an all-time low. Gravity, right, is the number of affiliates who are actually making commission by referring other people. You can see its gravity has come down, it's trending downward over time, and percentage of commission. So all these kind of data can kind of be good, right, to like help you tell whether or not you want to promote this product or not, or if you're just using the product, it can kind of tell you whether or not it's a product that might be of use as well. So here's a graph of the data. This was a pro service as well, so this is pretty cool if you wanted to see the gravity over time, and then some other information about related products and things like that. So that's that. I think that's pretty cool stuff. I mean, let's say if you wanted to browse here, so that was browsing. Let's say there's tools here that you can check out: ClickBank refund rate calculator, the reverse commission calculator, if you want to generate a hot link. That stuff is there too. You got plugins that you can use. So what's cool is actually, let's say if you go to order, actually it'll tell you some of the differences between the free and the pro. So like the pro membership, you get like affiliate insider access, advanced search options. Like some of the stuff that I just showed you was pro data, a customized search results views, analyze entire historical ranking data, see product graphs for rank, gravity, I want to say earnings per share, but that's not right. Whatever EPS is, and then see product name, change history, which is a big one. Refund rates, you can see that too. So it's interesting to me. The pro looks like it might be of use, especially if you're a heavy ClickBank user or promoter. This might be of use to you. You can also do product bookmarking, right? So you can syndicate ad blocks, you can generate HTML pages with your affiliate links. This is actually a lot of information there in terms of like the stuff that you get. And so here's the My Bookmarks section. So if you wanted, you can bookmark certain products that are of interest to you and come back to them. Like I said, you can use plugins and put the ClickBank Marketplace on your website, which is actually pretty cool. Like I said, if you're promoting products, a lot of products like that. And then of course, like I said, you can come down here and find products. Like if you go back to the ClickBank Marketplace, you see that like all you can do is look at gravity, average per sale, initial sale, rebuild, percentage sale, and all that type of stuff, the language, and then just click if you want certain billing types or whatever. But like on here, you can see that you can do category and where it's ranked in the top 10, top 20, whatever. You can use keywords. You can look at ones that are in products that are no newer than a certain amount of time, that pay a certain amount of percentage. You can look at momentum, gravity, starting rank, ranking average, and a lot of pretty cool stuff to narrow down what you're using, what you're looking for. So it's actually pretty cool. If you come here, there's a lot of other benefits, right? It shows you all the pro edition features and things that you get, pro versus free. You can activate orders if you have a receipt. You can do ClickBank nicknames. If you want to set up your nickname here, you can do your bookmarks right here. If you want to do ads, you can get the stuff you need here to put an ad on your website. You can actually build the ad. You can join their mailing list here. So yeah, so it's pretty cool tool. That's pretty interesting, right? Pretty interesting. So if you ask me some of the things I like I said, it contains a lot of metrics and variables to search for ClickBank products that are not on the ClickBank platform itself. You get a lot of research data that's available to you. I love the fact that you can look at the names history. And you can look at ranking history to see where it's ranked over time, see which new products are available. I actually didn't even show you that part, but like up here, you can see where it says ClickBank products that are new. You click on that and bam, right? It'll show you which products are brand new on the site. So that's pretty cool. You can bookmark the noteworthy products you want to come back to do more information on, reasonably priced. But probably, if you ask me, you could probably get away with the free version, but it depends though. There was a lot of good stuff there on that Pro, but it's reasonably priced. I mean, it's $27 one time, so it's not too bad. Plus, it's a money back guarantee. So, and one things I don't like is that, of course, it may take some time to learn which combination of metrics to search for to get the best results with all that data. And of course, it's not that useful if you're not using it for ClickBank research. So, other than ClickBank, you really can't use it for anything else. And ultimately, like I always like to say, these tools are exactly what they are. They're tools for your business, and they are not your business. They're not going to make or break your business. They're designed to be an adjuvant, an assistant, a helper to help you do more, to be more productive in your business. But you still got to make sure you got all the fundamentals in your business, providing quality, valuable service to the marketplace and things like that to really make money, right? So ultimately, if you ask me though, I give it 3.5 stars. It looks like a pretty useful tool if you're trying to do more in-depth research on your ClickBank products and find ones that are worthy of promoting. If you're a heavy ClickBank affiliate, you know what I mean? If you're not really heavy, you could probably get away with the free, depending on what you want to do. But like I said, the price on it's not that bad anyway. So yeah, it looks pretty cool to me. So hopefully that was helpful for you. Hopefully that helped you decide whether or not the CBEngine is a worthy ClickBank product tool to help you in your business. If you found value, definitely give the video a like. Consider subscribing to the channel up there. And hey, if you want to know my #1 recommendation for making money online, then hey, check out the link in the description below. And check out those bonuses that I'm going to put in with them as well. And hey, if you want to check out more videos on how to make money online on this channel, I think you'll like this one right here. So until the next exciting episode, my friend, be blessed, stay hungry. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.